111.1 Smart FM Spirit of Indonesia. So welcome back to our program, namely English Discussion with Smart of Your Life Smart FM English Community. So yeah, special today. I'm not alone, guys. I'm with a great people here to delegate their community to speak in English, guys. I'm with Andi Agigan Fani Baskar, and before we gonna go into discussion and this evening, our topic today, I want invite one by one of them to speak, introduce themselves, what is their main agenda, and place, what is the other different your community from your community, guys. Okay, hi guys. Okay, how is it going right now? Fine. Okay. Yeah, I'm also fine right now. Okay. So, guys, please introduce yourself. What is your agenda? What is your main position, your activity, and also what is the other community? It's different from your community. Start from you, my right side.
Okay, hello Smart FM. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Fikri Ahmad Zaki, but you can call me Fikri, and I'm from BPEC. That Women Engineer is LSM. That it's like more like a meeting. We discuss about something that the 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 member of education bring the paper to us discuss. After that, there are many agenda after that, including what in education members give us, like maybe a review book or debate or review movie like that.
Use in English full.
Yep. It's okay if you want to mix Indonesia and English. Up to you. If you in intermediate English, you can mix your English in Indonesia or English. But if you are beginner, you can mix more your Indonesia than English.
Okay, what is your Instagram or YouTube? Do you have to Instagram and YouTube for your community?
Yeah, I do. My Instagram is feed underscore KRE
Hmm?
point 1205.
Okay. Thank you for Fikri from BPEC.
My
Okay.
pleasure.
Okay. Please move the woman,
Okay.
the pretty woman. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Okay. Let me introduce myself.
Yeah, please.
Let me introduce myself.
Mhm.
My name is Atika Azhar Ramadhani, but people usually know me as Atika.
Hmm?
I'm a student from University Muslim of Indonesia, Faculty of Law, and my major is Legal Studies.
Hmm?
And I'm from Voice, FOISC Study Club.
Hmm?
It's from Faculty of Law too.
Hmm?
And that is short for Forum Intellectual Study
Study
Club.
Club,
Yes,
okay.
of course.
Mm.
And then actually we don't learn English specifically or
Mm.
comprehensively, but that's one of to our
Program,
program. Yes,
uh-huh.
because we have a 6 ministry,
Mm.
and I was a Ministry of Talent,
Mm.
and then the learn English is one of the program in our ministry.
Education.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ministry of Education. Yeah, of course. And then we have many of program like volunteers, and we study law and English too. So there is many programs in our study club too.
So I want to ask you, when the layman think about the Faculty of Law, they will think about demonstration, but maybe boys did conduct to demonstrations.
No.
What they're focusing? What they're
Uh,
focusing?
Uh,
The voting for the social, like that.
yes.
Volunteer?
Yeah, volunteers. Yeah, we have volunteers too.
You can mention your Instagram, your social media, your community.
Okay, my Instagram is _AZZAH.R, and my community Instagram is FOISC_.
Okay, thank you Atika from
Of course.
Voice. Okay, next you.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Apritama Putra Gafur, but you can call me Putra. I'm also part of BPC, and I'm from. I am a college student in University of Makassar, and my major is in accounting.
Accounting. Okay.
In BPC, I'm from the Communication and Communication Ministry, and in that ministry, we create like content or social media ads, advertising like that.
Okay, what is the activity of BPC? Already explained, Fikri, yeah. So I think both of you, it's first time to come here as a speaker,
Yes,
right?
of course.
Okay,
Yes.
I hope you can believe to speak in here. Okay. Okay. We gonna go into our discussion right now, namely modern versus traditional skill. Okay, give applause for us, guys. Okay. The first question is, what comes to your mind about in this topic, guys? Start from my right side. Okay, Fikri, please.
For me, it's honestly, it's difficult to divide between modern skills and traditional skills.
Mm,
If we mention what is the traditional skills
mm,
and what is modern skill, it's difficult honestly, because how to understand without we don't know what is the meaning of the this word, right?
mm,
Okay, if we divide into two things, like for example, oh what is the meaning of traditional skill? The traditional skill, it's for example like farming,
yeah,
or
farming,
maybe like
batik.
yeah, batik,
Yeah.
or maybe something else. But it doesn't mean it's like uh just batik,
Mm,
or maybe you divide. And what is the meaning of modern skill? Modern skill is like more like coding.
yeah.
So
Use computer.
yeah, it's difficult for me to divide this thing. And it is honestly it's interesting, because why it's now in this era it is important to individual to have a skill, at
Mhm.
least maybe just one or two skills.
But I think in this, but of this aspect, it's really interesting, yeah.
Yep.
As a teenager, as a students, as a worker, cause cannot to separate it each other, always to combine it when the other aspect, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Next, you, Atika.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Yeah. Do you got it? My question.
Yes, I got
Okay.
it. Okay. The modern skill and traditional skill.
Mm?
So I feel like the traditional skills is a skills rooted by the culture.
Mm?
It's because that's the old skills. That's the old skills that we get from the old people, and we learn it from watching and practicing. For example, like farming, weaving, made the handcraft,
Yeah.
and or cooking a traditional food, for example. And then the traditional skills. So the difference is the modern skills we got from school, from internet,
Yeah.
like that.
Mm.
And the world is changing fast, right?
Mm.
So we are in the digital era. We are in the technology era.
Mm.
So we learn a lot of in internet, in technology. So the modern skills is, for example, like coding, like Kafik said, and the business, social media, and then build a personal branding too, graphic designer or something else.
Okay.
Like that.
So what I think when I the child you grow to vintage or hometown?
Actually, the two of us.
Two of us. So you
Two of
learn
that,
about
the two
the
of that.
traditional. When first time you learn the skill, maybe your traditional skill you learn first. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Okay.
The
Okay.
traditional
Okay.
first.
So thank you, Atika.
Okay.
What about you? You getting my question?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think modern skill are refer for abilities needed like today's era, digital era, like for example, creative design, coding, or also digital marketing, and traditional skills is like abilities like
Yeah.
manual.
Manual. Yeah.
Like for
Manual.
example,
Don't use the technology.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
like woodworking.
But sometimes we can combine that.
yeah,
Yeah. When we farming. Yeah. Okay. Continue.
okay, like for example, traditional skills like woodworking,
Mhm.
cooking,
Mm.
and farming also.
Mm.
I think that's
Okay, so thank you, guys. Okay, we next to the second question, namely, what is the positive and negative impact for both of these aspect, guys? So, do you getting to my question?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, what are you thinking? Yeah, are you first?
Honestly, I don't think that it is they have a negative
Yeah.
aspect,
Mm.
negative, uh, not negative aspect, negative impact for
But
me.
it's depend on the people.
Yeah, no. I think there is no negative impact for me. It's a skill.
Mm.
It's very useful.
Mm.
But what do I ask? What is the impact after you learn this skill? For
Mm.
example, like, well, what do you think? I learned this skill. What I got?
Mm.
What I got? Right?
Mm.
And I think there is no negative impact for me.
Mm.
That's all.
Okay, thank you, Fikri. Next, you.
Okay, every people have a different perspective.
Yeah.
So I have a different perspective
Yeah.
from Kak Fikri. I feel like there is a negative impact
Yeah.
from
What?
Okay. Yeah. The
Okay.
traditional skills, if the negative impact is the positive impact, we can know our culture
Mm.
activity, but the negative impact, we can't live in this world from now
Mm.
on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And then the modern skills,
Mm.
we can forget our culture.
Mm. Modern skill.
Yes,
Yeah.
we can forget our culture. So the
Mm.
traditional skills, that's the old skills,
Mhm.
and I afraid that the old skill can adaptability in this activity right now,
In this era.
in this era. Yeah. Of
Yeah.
course.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
correct.
you for Atika. It's a
Yeah.
great question. Okay, you, Kak Putra.
okay. I'm agree with Kak Fikri. There is no negative impact
Mm.
for traditional or modern skills.
Mm.
Like modern skills, we can just follow our how to say
Mm.
perkembangan zaman,
Mm.
and we can just add it like
Mm.
digital literacy,
Yeah,
for example,
digital.
like that.
Yeah. That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, but I think the answer from Atika, it's depend on the people. When the to empowering our traditional skill, it without to ignore modern skill. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. We move to the third question. Is what the cause and the challenging when we rising awareness about of the importance traditional skill without to ignore modern skill, guys. Okay. Start from you. Yeah. Uh you want to think?
Yes,
Okay.
first.
Please, you. It's okay. It's okay.
Pardon, please. You can repeat the question.
What the challenging or when we raising awareness about the importance traditional skill without to ignore modern skill.
Oh, the first challenging is how to combine between traditional skills and modern skills.
Mm.
For example, like I mean, like you like drawing.
Mm.
It is maybe a part of the traditional skill, but
Mm.
how to involve, how to develop your your art into
Mm.
digital era.
Mm.
And for example, maybe and like that.
Mm.
The second one is the market of the world.
Market.
We cannot ignore about this because what markets global need we
Mm.
what market global need,
Mm.
it's mean like the how to say peningkatan
Rising.
meningkat lagi anunya apa keinginannya.
Rising awareness.
Yeah,
Yeah. Keinginan.
like it's basic of the economic.
Yeah.
That's
basic.
for me, like even something like do you wanna increase if you wanna increase development of traditional skills, you must see the global market.
Mm.
For example, if you wanna like handcraft like a
Mm.
statue, I think the market first the increase.
Mm.
For me like that.
So which one do you choose it? The both of the skill. You prefer choose it.
I will pick both of them
Pick
to
what?
combine
Mm.
to combine it.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Fikri. Yeah. Okay, you,
Okay, the
sister.
question- Yeah, of course. So the question is how we combine
Yeah.
two skills
Without to ignore modern skill.
without so okay. There's example and explanation that is explained from Kafikri. I can add a little bit.
Mm.
Yes, I feel like that. For example, is we made a handcraft.
Mm.
That's a modern skills. We made a
Mm.
handcraft,
Mm.
and then we sell into the internet.
Mm.
And that's a modern skill.
Mm.
We have to yeah,
Mm.
and then we have to have the skill, modern skill, like how we can know the algorithm,
Mm.
and then the business personal branding.
Mm.
We have to build the business personal branding to sell our handcraft.
Mm.
I feel like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for Atika.
Yes.
Wow, I getting to new insight for a lot of for you guys about in this topic. Yeah, start you again.
Okay, I'm sorry. What
Yeah.
is the question again?
What is how to raising awareness about how to importance traditional skill without to ignore modern skill.
Okay. I think there is a lot of challenge to
Mhm.
combine traditional skill and modern skills. Like, we can just combine traditional skills. For example, we can draw a traditional drawing, use traditional tools, and we can just selling in
Mhm.
this digital e-commerce like that. And yeah, we can just combine the the modern skill and traditional skill like that.
Okay. So three of you guys, you more to combine to traditional skill and modern skill, without to choose both of them. Okay. Do you have any question, guys? Okay. Do you have what? Any question? Okay. We start. The fourth question is, are you believe that traditional skill still relevant in this era digital? But you said before, already said before, but I want to the other perspective about this, but negative perspective. Do you believe this traditional skill still relevant?
Yes, of course.
But there is the one of aspect from traditional skill don't relevant also.
I feel like
Mm?
the traditional skills is relevant
Mm?
if we combine in modern skills.
It's if we combine to modern
Yeah,
skill.
Yes.
Okay. The others?
For me, like, what kind of the skills first? Because I don't know what exactly how many skills in this world. Honestly, I don't know, but maybe if we see still exists, it's still. But the question is, I mean, there the person who active in these skills, how much for example, like if we talk about the modern skill like advertising or many else, there are many, those are many. But if we're talking about the painting, how to make a paint color, it's not there is it's little of the one of the many skill who some generation avoided. Even like painting natural color, not like a synthetic color. It's there is no many people want to do that because it's difficult and take it long time to make a one product.
Okay. Thank you, Fikri. Thank you, Atika, and you, Do you got it, my question?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
I think traditional skills are still relevant in today's society. Like we can just combine the the traditional skill like collisionary art like
Mhm.
that, and we can just combine in modern ways. Yeah, I think that's all.
But sometimes the traditional skill it's already stuck there, different to modern skill, guys. I mean traditional skill already stuck the modern skill. Sometimes we create to like patung. There is to tools to make this station.
I
But
think-
sometimes we can use AI.
Mm.
Yeah, AI.
So for the context, how to like membuat patung.
Mm.
I think there is a lot of machine can build stationary like that,
Mm.
and we can just I think it's more about feel
Mm.
about art like that.
Okay, that's good question. That's good answer, guys. Three of you. Okay, about if we're talking about the modern and traditional skill, sometimes the village more respect traditional skill than modern skill, guys. Why?
Yes, it because the technology.
Mm?
Back
Because
to
the
the technology, because the village
Mhm.
is the technology is not good.
Mm?
The civilization in there is
Mhm.
not get good access in
Mhm.
technology, so
Mhm.
that's why the traditional skills is more important in village
Mhm.
than the modern skills. I feel like that.
Okay, but the several area that
the
not
several.
too relevant for this aspect, the modern skill, guys. Okay, you Fikri?
I want to give a different insight that I think not because the technology, but the the traditional skill
Mhm.
more long time than modern skill. For example, like if you talk about the artist who always write something, drawing something like a mangaka.
Mm.
If we put this mangaka in traditional village,
Mm.
they think, oh, what do you do that?
Yeah.
That does this thing give you money?
Mm.
I think like uh village people that doesn't realize that it is important to combine between modern art, modern skill, and traditional skill.
Mm.
Okay, for example, like I said before, that manga, like who like a drawing, you can be the artist,
Mm.
and you can sell your art in online commercial.
Mm.
And I think not just because the technology, but
Mhm.
the traditional skills more more long existed
Mhm.
than modern artists, modern skills,
Mm.
the culture.
Okay, thank you, Fikri. What about you?
Sorry, I don't get the point. What the question again?
What is the traditional skill still relevant in this village, guys, than modern skill?
Okay. I think traditional skills still relevant in in the village. Like we can just make like for example we can just make a batik, you know, for just use a manual tools,
Mm.
and it's about culture, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah, of course. If we make it to batik or tenung,
Mhm.
actually there is two tools, the technology tools make it that, but our the social from that, it's still use the traditional modern to as always to defensive their culture. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you have any question, guys, about in this topic? Cause I think in this topic it's really wide, but you said before it's we can combine. It's depend on the people, and also, yeah. about both of this aspect at the same importance for our life, cause yeah, sometimes we use the traditional skill when we the village, or sometimes we use the modern skill when we needed to technology. So I want to ask you about in the context economic, in the context empowering economic, which one it's match both of in this aspect, guys, suitable in this aspect, guys.
Okay. The traditional skill or modern skill is suitable in economic.
Yeah, which one?
Which one?
Yeah.
I feel like rather than choose one of them,
Mm?
I choose to combine them.
Still
So-
combine.
Yes, of course,
Ah,
still
okay.
combine. To make a economic good,
Mm-hmm.
we have to combine the two of them.
Mm.
Like I said before, that we
Mhm.
sell in digital,
Mm.
like a handcraft, like a painting,
Mm.
and the others
Mm.
in digital.
Mm.
Of course, we have to use the traditional and modern skills.
Mm.
So of course that we don't have to use the one of them.
Mm.
We combine and elaborate
Yeah.
the two of them.
You can explain what is the combine, maybe when you sell the food stat, yeah, use the modern national skill when you cooking, and what is the modern skill?
Oh, okay. The traditional skills
Mm?
is cooking the traditional food.
Mhm.
For example,
Mm?
we can see it from Grab food or something else,
Mhm.
and then the Grab food is a traditional
Or
skills.
make to advertising.
Yes,
in,
advertising,
yeah.
and how we advertising,
Mhm.
how we know the algorithm from the marketplace.
Mhm.
So yeah, we use the two of them.
Okay, you prepare the both of this aspect, yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay, if there is people say you which one,
Which one?
yeah, which one do you prefer to choose it both of this aspect?
I can choose. Yes, I can choose the one of them. I still combine
Okay.
them. Yes.
Okay, okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move you, Fikri, the master of.
No, don't,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
don't say,
Okay,
don't say
please.
me, don't say that.
Okay,
Really.
okay. Please, please, please.
Pardon, please, you can repeat question.
In the context in the development economic, which one the match about both of this aspect, traditional skill or a modern skill?
If we talk about the economic, we talk about the market, right?
Yeah, we talk. Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
I think it depends when you want to, advertising. Like for example, like you advertising just around your area.
Mm.
I think it's more important to use traditional skills rather than modern skills.
Mm.
If you wanna abroad
Mm.
or maybe advertising your art, we talk about market, right?
Mm.
Right? Not just art or maybe food or something else
Mm.
in abroad.
Mm.
I think the modern skills more important rather than modern skills.
Mm.
And if we talk about the economic, what's it?
What? But sometimes if we want to abroad, and there's many foreigners to come with Indonesia, cause he want to know about the culture in Indonesia, like traditional skill, like tenung, and because in the abroad, like Western country, they didn't see about this skill. Sometimes, yeah. What? Continue.
What is the question?
Like I said before, it's in the context of economic. Where is which one the match both of in this aspect?
I think if that I said before that if
Mhm.
wanna like art maybe in just around our view,
Mm.
it's more important you increase your traditional skill like
Mm.
carve
Mm.
or handcraft or
Yeah.
maybe gardening,
Mm.
farming. It's more important. But if you're talking about the abroad,
Mm.
it's more the important. It's advertising. Then advertising it's one of the modern skills. I think if you talk about the around us, a local village,
Mm.
maybe traditional skill more important than modern skills. But if you talk about the abroad,
Mm.
maybe I think in this case the modern skills more important than traditional skills.
Yeah, maybe for our area, it's more prepared about the modern skill. But when we abroad, it's suddenly the foreigner it's suddenly see in this aspect, right?
Yep.
Okay.
If you're talking about the foreign that come to our era, I think
Mhm.
you must increase your traditional skill because
Mm.
some foreigner not nervous, jealous about our culture, right?
Yeah, of
I
course.
think if the case like that, I think
Yeah.
it's more important to
Uh.
increase your traditional skills.
But do you remember when we the Sunday meeting? There is two foreigner. It's friends about
Yeah,
from
yeah.
students of UMI
Yeah.
from French.
Yeah.
He is really easy admire about our culture. Seems like they choose his ambassador. Can
Yeah.
we send the follow about the ambassador of language?
Yep.
Yeah, it's really wow. I'm never see about this culture. What is the name is culture? So I am explaining about this is the ambassador of the ambassador of educations and ambassador of language, and it is to always to us both of the ambassador. It's what your ambassador, what your ambassador, what your ambassador. So it's really admire to about this chooses. Okay,
Okay.
you.
Okay, so sorry, what the question?
Okay. What is the in the context economic or in the context technology? Yeah, which one the match about both of in the skill?
Okay, talk about economics, right?
Okay.
I think modern skills is more has a value in I can use for example we can use digital illustration. You know NFT, right? Yeah, NFT. We can.
I don't know.
NFT,
Maybe you can more explain that.
Okay, NFT
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
like a digital illustration.
Ah,
and
illustrations.
We can buy them
Mhm.
their arts in their artists, but we can buy with money.
We can result
yeah,
money.
We have to buy with digital coin, digital money like that, and I think it's more have a value in economic.
So you more prepare about the modern skill when we result the money than traditional skill
Yeah.
without to ignore without to
Yeah.
ignore okay, thank you guys. Okay,
Depends on condition.
yeah, it's depend the position also. Yeah, okay. Do you have the question, guys? Cause we already until discussion the 5 questions, so maybe you have the question. Can you thinking about yes? what? Yeah, maybe you can ask me also about this topic. Yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
question.
What?
Okay. The question is,
Hmm.
can you choose just one from the traditional and modern skill is really important to you,
Hmm.
and from our activity as a student?
Which one which one I choose when I students the both of in this both of in this
Yes.
skill?
Actually, for you,
Hmm.
yeah, as a student,
Mm.
and for you,
Hmm.
choose one skills
Mm.
from traditional and modern skills.
Modern skill I choose one skill,
Yes,
and
modern
traditional
skill,
choose
choose
one skill.
is more important.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So do you have perspective, guys?
For me.
Yeah, you first. Okay.
For me, I think I pick not just one but a lot of the skill. First is critical thinking.
Critical thinking for traditional skill or modern skill?
I don't know exactly.
But I
both of
think
them.
both of this aspect it's relevant about critical thing.
Yeah, critical thinking.
Yeah.
The second one is problem solver,
Problem solving. Yeah.
creative thinking,
Mm.
and I think for the problem solver and the auto control the situation, the condition,
Auto-control. Yeah.
and maybe analyze. Analyzer.
Analyze. Okay. That's all.
That's all.
You?
Okay, sorry. What's the question?
Which one? Maybe you can choose one skill the traditional and one skill the modern.
Which one?
No. You can choose one skill the both of this aspect.
For-
traditional and one skill
Yeah.
What's the context for our?
For
just free.
just
Okay.
free.
I think maybe for example for our career, I
Mhm.
think I choose traditional skills like empathic, communication skills like that for our career development, and modern skills. It feels like I think feels like our creativity.
Mm.
We can use our creativity in modern skills like creative design,
Mm.
like that, creative editing.
Mm.
Yeah, I think that's all.
But me, I will choose the traditional skill, namely the art like bertenung, like ngebatik, cause I think it's difficult things, but when we can do that, it's really can to result to me many money, guys, cause some yeah. money fulus yeah. Okay, sometimes especially in our South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar, it's suddenly we cannot see how to create bertenung, ngebatik. It's sometimes we don't see that. Do you ever see, or maybe in the village, like mandar, the make to sarung mandar or ngebatik?
I didn't say
I didn't see. Okay, yeah, but the modern skill I will choose is the how to be use the editing video. But sometimes in this era, especially as a students with us, it's needed about personal branding, guys. Talk to video. Okay, talk to video. We can build in personal branding, what we doing, what we conduct our activity, and yeah, I think yeah, this is era. It's really important about the personal branding. So, do you believe the personal branding or just to secret people? Which one?
Actually, the personal branding is controversial, right?
Sometimes.
From
Mm.
who want to make career and
Yeah.
secret people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the question again, guys?
Maybe Kak Fikri have a question.
Have a question?
Kak Putra have a question.
Okay. How our education right now it's put on the skill, or maybe just to focus in the traditional skill, or maybe just to focus in the modern skill. Maybe for our education right now, especially in hometown.
No, I think in our education harus English of lagi
Again.
education. I think I think not we cannot separate this one. Really.
We cannot to
We
separate.
we cannot separate this one because
Mhm.
why? In one side,
Mm.
the word
Mm.
always dynamic.
Dynamic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always move like a flow. We cannot we cannot avoid this
Mm.
era.
Mm.
So that's why in modern era it's important to learn about modern skills.
Mm.
But don't forget about our jati diri,
Mm.
our nation. That's why it is
Nations,
you
okay.
cannot separate between traditional skills and traditional skill and modern skill. That's why it is important ministry to talk about this,
Hmm.
to make a curriculum about this.
Mm.
I think that's all.
So do you believe the modern skill more prepare can to open the employment than traditional skill?
No. I said that you cannot.
But I said the other context.
Or
Then your statement.
if you focus on modern aspect like a developed era, I
Mm.
think the modern skill most important. Yeah,
Modern-
the
yeah, of
modern,
course.
modern like coding maybe that's all.
Mm.
But if you wanna introduce your culture to the abroad to a
Mm.
foreigner,
Mm.
I think the traditional skill more important.
Mm. When they communicate with the foreigner.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. How about you? But maybe you can the other perspective. But we I still thinking about the next question.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
What?
Do you think what is the most important skill do we must learn?
Eh,
We must learn.
but I
What?
think already explained this one.
You already
Yeah,
explained.
already.
Oh.
But you didn't.
I didn't get it.
No. He said before it's which one do you choose it, the modern skill, which one the skill.
Oh yeah.
It's the same questions but
Yeah.
difference. Yeah.
Okay. I understand. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Do you have perspective?
Switch.
So I'm
What?
still thinking about the next questions.
Yeah. Can you repeat again the question?
In the context education right now,
Yes.
which one the more proper to conduct or implementation our educations?
Oh, okay. Back again.
Okay.
The two of skills is important, but
Mhm.
I feel like in this world, in now on,
Mm,
the modern skills a little bit higher
mm,
to use than the traditional skills
mm,
for education.
mm.
Like in the school, we have to use Word. We have to use the computer.
Yeah.
We have to know the Excel,
Mm.
Word,
Mm,
and of the graphic designer
mm,
and editing
mm.
or something else. And yeah, of course, we have to use the technology, and then the modern skills is getting higher than the traditional skills in the context of the school.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay. What about you?
Okay, so talk about which one, or I think we can separate modern skill and traditional
Yeah,
skill
we can.
in education, especially in Indonesia. We when we talk about modern skill,
Mm.
we have to talk about our facilities, like
Mhm.
especially Indonesian facilities in school.
Mm.
It's how to say belum belum memadai, and we can teaching our student like modern skill like Excel.
Mm.
We don't have facilities like that, and like lab komputer belum memadai di
Mm.
kampus-kampus ataupun di
Mm.
sekolah.
Yeah, but sometimes also the teacher cannot to master about the modern skill, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we move to the last question, guys. Yeah, do you happy, guys? Okay, yeah, because we already discussed to other perspective of this topic. Yeah, of course, I got in this aspect it cannot to separate it and always use the other job, the other to major. We also use that, but maybe the other streaming, the last statement always about talking about the conclusion and the wise word, but I want to different, guys. Maybe out in this topic, but still developing for your spirit. You can to take motivation in these questions. So okay, the last is what the best things do you ever getting in your life can change the best moment the future, guys.
Wow. Okay.
Pardon, please.
Yeah.
Okay, what
I don't get it.
okay, what the best ever do you achieve your life? Maybe you can change your personality the future.
That we got in this
Yeah,
achievement,
maybe or the positive achievement or negative achievement.
if can change the
Yeah, your life.
No,
Yeah,
I think
your mind also.
I think for me just one really, because I think it is a positive thing, but
Mm,
I don't want to
Explain the
share
specific.
this. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe it's about
Just to
the,
abstract. Yeah.
uh, this is this achievement in how to say traditional skills,
Mm.
part of traditional skills,
Mm.
and the one is it is in religion perspective, religion aspect
Mm.
for me like that.
Religion aspect. Okay. Thank you, Kak Fikri. And what about you, Atika, from Voice?
Yeah.
Do you have experience achievement also?
Achievement now that
Mm.
change me in the future.
Mm.
Of course, that I explore anything
Mm.
I got experience
Mm.
can change my mind.
Mm.
Of course, the structure of my mind,
Mm.
I can be more a structured people.
Mm.
I can be the productive. I
Mhm.
can be the manage my time, my
Mhm.
emotion,
Mhm.
and the other, and then the problem solving.
Mm.
Problem solving because I in the organization,
Mm.
of course then yeah, in organization have different and many dynamic
Situation, yeah.
situation dynamic. So yeah, the problem solving
It's more
actually
important.
it's all about my mind.
But there's one you forget, namely emotional intellectual,
Yeah,
emotional
intelligent.
intelligence.
Yes, of
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I think it's that manage my emotion.
Yeah.
Emotional intelligence.
But not
It's include
also not only the our emotional,
Intellectual.
but it's
Spiritual.
also spiritual, intellectual. It's
Yeah.
cannot to
IQ,
separate it each other.
EQ, and SQ.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, of course.
You the last.
I'm sorry, I'm so for our conversation. What the question again?
Okay. What the best things do you ever achieve your life can change your personal thing the future?
Okay, in my experience,
Mhm.
before I join this club like BBC,
Mhm.
I'm also a shy person.
Mm.
So I think I want to talk about social skills.
Social skill.
Yeah. So before I've got to join like organization
Mhm.
or take apply an internship like that. I am a shy person, and it's my turning point to to build my character development
Mm.
and to develop my social skills.
Mm. What the specific your job does your PPAC?
Oh, I am from communication and the communication ministry, and
The specific job does
uh,
designer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
designer.
design in social media.
Okay, guys. Okay, thank you very much to everyone here. I got into new insight about this topic, and thank you from Fikri, thank you from Atika, thank you from Putra. Yeah, I think you already always to come here as a speaker, and we will discussion the other topic. Is really interesting and fun. Do you think in this topic it's fun?
Yes.
Yeah, fun because we can
And
talking.
the host is fun.
Yeah, of course, the fun.
Fun.
I think not just fun, but the heavy
Heavy
topic.
Heavy topic. Okay. What about you?
I'm enjoy with the topic with this topic.
Mm.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah,
we
fun. We can sharing and log within the topic. Yeah. Okay, smart listening and viewers at home, thank you very much to already stay tuned our streaming right now, and please next watching our the next Wednesday. We will talking about the various topic will can insightful our mind about other topic, guys. Okay, thank you very much and say to camera hi, goodbye.
Bye.